Now exercise 10.2 question number 13, which is the last question. Quadrilateral ABCD is given. That quadrilateral circumscribe a circle with center O. This thing is given and we have to show that this quadrilateral, opposite sides of this quadrilateral subtend supplementary angles at the center. Means AB and DC, these are the opposite angle. Then angle made by AB is AOB, angle made by DC is DOC. Sum of these two angle is 180. Supplementary means 180. Similarly BC, angle made by BC is BOC, angle made by AD is AOD. Sum of these two angles is also 180. This thing we have to show here. Now consider the proof. Here point A, B, C, D, all these are the exterior point from the circle. Points A, B, C, D are exterior points to the circle, and we know that from exterior points the tangent segment drawn are equal. Now from A, the tangent segments are AR is equals to AS. Similarly from B, BR is equals to BQ. From C, CQ is equals to CP. CQ is equals to CP. And from D, DP is equals to DS. All these segments are equal because these are the tangent segments from exterior points. Now here we join the segments here P, Q, R, S. These are the points of contact. Point P, Q, R, S are points of contact to the circle. Now here we join these points to the center, these exterior points. Means we join the segment OB, OC, OD and OA. Now here consider triangle AOR and triangle AOS. In these two triangles AS is equals to AR, already हमने write किया. Now OR and OS, these are the radii of same circle, both are equal, and AO is the common side for both the triangles. Means these two triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. Write down that in triangle AOR and triangle AOS, AR is equals to AS, OS is equals to OR, and AO is equals to AO. Here for this you can write, give the reason equation 1, label this commonly as equation 1 from equation 1. Second one, radii of same circle, and the third one is common side. Means the triangles are congruent. Triangle AOR is congruent to triangle AOS, and the criteria is SSS. By SSS criteria the triangles are congruent, and if the triangles are congruent we can write that corresponding angles are equal. Then these angles, these two triangles are congruent, and this angle and this angle, these are the corresponding angles which are also equal. AOR is equals to AOS. Angle AOR is equals to angle AOS, and let the measure of that angle is X. Means CPCT you can write that these two angles are equal, and let measure of that angle is S. Now consider the point B. Same thing we have to prove that, no need to write again proof, just write down which two angles are. These two triangles are congruent by SSS criteria, and again these two angles are equal. Measure of this angle here we consider X. These two angles are also equal, and let measure of that two angles are Y. Similarly from C, these two triangles are congruent, and measure of these two angles are equal, let it is Z and it is W. Means there are four pairs of triangles which are equal, which are congruent, and in CPCT we can write four pairs of angles which are equal. Write down, just write down similarly and write all the pairs which are given. No need to write proof again. Consider second pair is BOR and BOQ. Angle BOR is equals to angle BOQ. Next one, angle COQ and COP. Angle COQ and angle COP. And the last pair is DOP and DOS. Angle DOP is equals to angle DOS. Here for the second pair we consider the measure Y, third Z, and the last pair is W. All these angles are there. Now here center of the circle is O, and at one point the measure of all angles which are created at a single point is 360 degree, means sum of all these angles is 360 degree. Now here X plus, we can consider only SOR, BO, ROQ, 4 angles here we consider. Sum of that angles is, from figure directly you can write X plus X, Y plus Y, Z plus Z, W plus W is equals to 360 degree. Sorry. Sum of all angles at a point is 360, and that's why we can write X plus Y plus Z plus W is equals to 360. All the angles are double here, means 2 into X plus Y plus Z plus W is equals to 360. All the angles are repeated, means 2x, 2y, 2z, 2w. Take 2 as a common. X plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360. Divide by 2, you will get x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 180 after division by 2. Now here if we make the pair of x plus y and w plus z, then from figure x plus y, see the figure, x plus y means this angle x and y, AOB, and here w plus z means angle DOC, means angle AOB plus angle DOC is equals to 180, means both the angles are supplementary. First prove कर दिया हमने. Now here in the same situation, if we take the pair of x plus w and y plus z, see the figure, x plus w means which angle AOD, and y plus z means which angle BOC, means angle AOD plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree, means the opposite sides AB and BC, these are the opposite sides, and that subtend the angle supplementary angles at the center O. Again AD and BC, these are the opposite sides, and that subtend the supplementary angle at center O. That is the proof.